How to bring back the Android back button. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So as you can see on the screen as well, there's no back button available over here at the bottom of the screen. Now in order to get back this back button, simply what you need to do is swipe up the app list and then tap on the settings application. As you tap on settings applications, scroll down and tap on the option of home screen. Now as you tap on home screen, you can see different options over here. So what you simply need to do is tap on system navigation. So as you tap on system navigation, here you can see there are two options, gestures and buttons. Since we have toggled on the gestures option, we do not have the back button option over here available at the bottom. So simply tap on the button option over here. And as you tap on button, now you can just go back. And here the back button is ready at the bottom of the screen. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.